Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Raz, and first of all, I would like to plenty of thanks to our viewers, those who are watching me in American Institute, and I am in Barabanki now in American Institute. So I have a good student. His name is Anurag. He has been coming here for 1 month. So when he joined American, he was not able to speak English, but now I will check him how much he has improved his English. So let's start, guys. So hi Anurag, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Very nice. So always you laugh. So what is the reason behind it? Why you always laugh? Why you're so much happy, sir? Tell the reason behind it.
So because we always happy, because no any reason to happiness.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Means a person should be happy, so you can learn from him. He always be happy, guys. So this is the part of yeah, sadness and the happiness a part of life. But he always quite happy when I see him in American. So Anurag, where are you from basically?
So I'm from Barabanki at my village Tilokpur.
What pur? Sorry.
Tilokpur, sir.
Nopur, okay. So, what is a famous food there which people like the most?
So where?
Famous food at Trilokpur?
So there is no any famous food because this is because this is village, sir.
Oh, no problem, but people they like the most na something there at food.
Yes, like Chola Bhatura most famous is.
I love it. I love it. Okay, so when you came Barabanki, what did you realize? When you were there, after that you migrated here, you came to city. So what did you see here in Barabanki after coming here?
So I see.
Is there? Yeah.
I saw many things like in village pupils have no any confidence to speaking on stage, and he has a lack of knowledge, and in city everyone educated and everyone knowledgeable, so city pupils are not facing shy on speaking on a stage or stage performance like this.
So that's why you like the most city people, okay? That's very nice. So Anurag, what's your qualification? What are you doing?
So I'm doing BCom and this is my final year.
Final year,
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And as well as you are learning English.
Yes, sir.
So who teaches in American, sir?
So Mr. Raj sir teaches in American, sir.
Okay, okay. So where is he from?
So he's from Ayodhya.
Right. Okay. So is there any change after coming in American Institute?
Yes, sir. Is most change because sir before joining American, sir, I not able to speak English properly. But after joining American, we speak English much, and I increased my English speaking. Yes.
Oh, that's very great, great, very nice. So, Anurag, actually, sometimes I get tired, and sometimes I don't wanna teach in American. Sometimes I feel tired, and I go to bed. So, when you get tired, what do? You also retire to bed or do something?
Yes, sir. When I tired, then I take rest, like sleep. Yes.
So, who motivates you, sir?
So my motivation is my father.
What is the biggest problem in your life?
So biggest problem of my life, sir, like we are from middle class family, so sir, there is money is biggest problem for.
Money is a problem.
Yes, sir.
So, you want to earn money, right?
Yes.
Okay. How much money do you want to earn in a month if you get the opportunity?
So I want to earn above 5 lakhs.
Okay.
Yes.
Suppose you get the chance to take a selfie in front of Burj Khalifa. So who will be there in front of you or beside you or next to you? Who will be there with you?
So I want my family will be there, sir.
My God, your parents especially, right? That's great, nice. People they are taking selfie with their boyfriend, girlfriend, in front of Burj Khalifa or Red Fort, and you wanna go especially with your parents. So thank you so much, sir. You have a good thought. So Anurag, how many members are there in your family?
So there are 5 members in my family. So my father, mother, and my sister, brother.
Okay. Are you married or single?
No, sir, I am single.
Sorry. Actually, that's very nice. Are you planning to get married in future?
No, sir, I am planning get married after sir success, sir.
Success. Most of the people they have a different definition of the education. According to you, what is education?
So education is, sir, like we are learning the way of living in society and the way of so increasing education in our society. And education is not a bookish knowledge, sir. Education is all type of knowledge like playing and singing, dancing, and all the activities.
It's a good thought. Very nice. So Anurag, my last question is that do you have any memorable, moment which you celebrated with anybody?
Yes, sir. I have many memorable moments, sir. Like so my family, my uncle's wedding, and my bua's wedding.
Okay, that's nice.
That's are many memorable moments.
Okay, actually, I spent 5 to 6 minutes with you, and it was very special, time with you. It was very auspicious time. Thank you so much, and nice meeting you, sir, for coming here. And I think it's a marvelous day.
Yes, sir. And thank you, sir.
Okay, most welcome.